Welcome to the fireworks simulator. There's probably gonna be a stupid ad here. Oh no! We're good. Okay, yeah, we start off with these fireworks. And speaking of fireworks, we get to the actual fireworks, not stupid bath bomb things. Yes, fireworks. Oh, it's not one of these. And here it is. Alright, pink. Alright, you guys ready? Whoa! Yay. Alright, next ones. They're just different colors, aren't they? They're just different colors. Yeah, no, they're just different colors. Don't do this again. Oh, wow. Okay, but yeah, no, just different colors, so. Let's see. Ooh, this one looks interesting. Okay. Same thing every time. Okay, grab it, push, and push, push, push. Yeah, just get a bunch of those, and push. There you go. Alright. That's alright. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Alright. This one looks very interesting. Did I just order the same one? Pretty sure I just ordered the same one. I will defeat you! Oh no, I didn't. Okay. Thank you. Ping, ping. Ping, 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 ping. Look at that. And set off, dear fireworks. Nice. Again, I'm pretty sure there's just no. Wait, hold on. Whoa! Alright, we're getting to the end and stuff. My god, this is just getting repetitive at this point. Oh, wow. Pink. Pink, pink. Alrighty. Let me guess, it's gonna be red and blue? Okay, I was about to say that was boring. Fire. Fire. Yeah, same thing every time. Alright. Just like, I don't know. Well, yeah, I did not mean to do that. Alrighty then. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even notice. Okay. Oh god. You might want to watch out. Oh. Gonna hit the thing. Oh. Okay, ooh. This is colorful and also the final one for today already. Oh wow. Well, that's nice. Bye.